In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to WordPress. We'll walk through adding a video directly into a post or page using the built-in editor so your visitors can watch it right on your site. I'll also share a few practical tips along the way to help your upload go smoothly and look great. Start by opening the post or page where you want the video to appear. In the WordPress editor, locate the Add Block button, the small plus icon you'll see near your content area or in the top toolbar. Click the plus and search for video, then select the video block. This tells WordPress you want a native video player right in your content, so it will handle playback and controls for you without extra plugins. Next, choose Upload. You may notice other choices like Media Library or Insert from URL. Upload is ideal when the video file is on your computer and you want it copied into your site's media library. Clicking Upload will open your computer's file picker so you can select the video you prepared. Now, choose the video file. For best results, use a widely supported format like MP4 with H.264 video and AAC audio. Keep an eye on file size. Large files can take a long time to upload and may hit hosting limits. If your video is very large, consider compressing it with a standard video compressor to keep the quality high while reducing the size. Resolutions like 720p or 1080p usually look sharp on most sites without being excessive. After selecting the file, confirm and let the upload complete. You'll see progress, and once it's done, WordPress places a video player right in the editor so you can preview playback and confirm audio is clear. When you're satisfied, finish by clicking Publish if this is a new post or Update if you're editing an existing one. Publish makes the page live for your audience, while Update saves your changes on content that's already public. After this, your video is part of the page, ready for visitors to play on desktop and mobile. The built-in player provides controls like play, pause, and volume, and the layout will adapt to your theme. A quick note on performance. Videos require more bandwidth than images, so keeping files reasonably sized helps your pages load faster. If you notice slowdowns or have very long videos, consider optimizing the file before uploading. That's it. Your video is now uploaded and published in WordPress, ready to engage your audience.